Hi, I'm Rebecca. I've been a genius with Patriot Subaru since 2016. Today we're going to go over the Eyesight system for the Ascent, Crosstrek, and Impreza. So up here you have two cameras that face the road. The two main functions are lane departure warning. So when you get too close to a line on either side of the car, it will beep at you to let you know. And there's also pre-collision braking. So if you got too close to something in front of you, your car can bring you to a complete stop as long as your speed difference is within 30 miles an hour of that other object. So up here, these are the controls to turn on or off that system. So the left one, if you held it for 3 seconds or until you hear a beep, will turn off the lane departure warning. The right one turns off the pre-collision braking. Same thing as the other one if you hold it for 3 seconds or until you hear a beep. With the Eyesight system, you have an adaptive cruise control, which is a little bit different than a standard cruise control. Unlike a standard cruise control, you don't have to slow yourself down when you get too close to an object in front of you. Your car will do that for you. So on the right side of the steering wheel, this top right button, when you tap it, will turn on your cruise control, and you see the center display will change to tell you that it's on. And with that, each one of those bars in front of the car is the distance that your car keeps you from another one. Each one of the bars is 1.5 seconds of time, so the measurement depends on how fast you're going. To change the distance, the bottom left button here can bring you down, and the top left button will increase your distance. And then just like a normal cruise control, you do still have to set your speed, so once you turn it on and you're at the speed you want to stay at, you tap down on the knob to set your speed, and from there you just have to steer and the car slows you down and you get too close to another one. To turn it off, use the same button you did to turn it on, or like a normal cruise control, you can put your foot on the brake and that will cancel it. And then with those, you also have lane keep assist, which can be used whether you're in cruise control or not. You have to tap it to turn it on, and when you see this display in the center, that means it's on. And from that point, above 40 miles an hour, when you get too close to a line, the car will physically redirect you back to the middle of the lane.